Hello, beautiful Patreon friends. I have a little tip for you. This is my, you could say, tip of the month. And it's an easy one, but makes such an impact on your flowers. So I'm going to show you these three variations. Let's start with the first one. I'm just wetting my brush. I've got some of my paint in here. My Mylang paint. There we go. Add a little bit more water. Okay, so here is a typical flower. I'm going to point, press, swoop it around. A nice little flower there, petal. Here's another petal. And our third petal. And we've got a little flower bud there. Let's go ahead and add our little stem, and we've got a decent little flower there. So let's take that just a step further. I'm going to add just a little bit more paint, a little bit more water. So here is the second version of that. Let's leave some white space in there. Excuse me. So now we've got this wonderful white space. A little bit more interesting, as you can see there. Where the petals meet. So there you go. That's a little bit more interesting for sure. Let's add our green stem in there. Okay. So that's a little bit better. Now let's go for our last one here. So we're going around. I'm leaving that white space. A little bit more paint. Like that. Got that white space in there. One more petal. If you notice too, I have a variety of values, so lights, darks, but here is a great tip. Go into the center here, and I'm going to use a little darker value and tap in. Now I'm tapping in with a purple here. You could make this any color you want. Maybe tap in a little around the edges and let it blend out. Look how interesting that is. The other thing I'll do is just take my green here and a little bit more water. I'm going to let it blend and spread into the rest of my flower. So this is a big tip, a big part of watercolors is getting that blend, that spread, the white space. And look at how much more interesting this can be compared to this. This is much flatter. It's nice, but this has a lot more interest, different values, different colors, just tapping in with that darker color at the base, and of course, some of our white space. So I hope you'll give this a try with some of your flowers. I think it's an easy technique that can really level up from this to this. And it's just an easy way to give your flowers that little bit of zhuzh, that little bit of oomph. And it's also quite fun to watch the watercolors kind of spread around in there. All right, everybody, you are doing great. Happy painting. I'm going to be right here supporting you and reminding you, you are an artist. All right, happy painting, everybody.